Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a no-cooking snack. You call it a snack or a dessert. This is Biscuit Swiss rolls. You need some biscuits and some condensed milk to make this recipe. Here I've used around 20 Marie biscuits. You can also take digestive biscuits and make it into powdered form. Now divide this into 2 portions. And in 1/2 add some cocoa powder and mix it. Now add in some condensed milk and make this into a soft dough. While mixing, if you feel it bit dry, you can add some milk and make this into a dough. Now place a butter paper and place the dough on top of it and roll it out. Now our first layer chocolate roll is ready. Now into the other half add some milk powder and mix it. Now add in some condensed milk into it and make it into a dough. Now here I'm not giving any measurements because you have to completely eyeball it according to your preference. Now our second biscuit layer is also ready. Now let's join both the layers. Place the biscuit layer on top of the chocolate layer. Now with the help of the parchment paper, roll it together. Initially you may feel it a bit difficult, but continue rolling till you reach the next end. Now fully cover it with the butter paper, tuck the ends, and you have to freeze it for 1 to 2 hours or overnight. Now when you take it out after 2 hours, it will be really firm. Now trim down the sides. Now carefully cut down the pieces into your desired thickness. And there you go! Our no cooking, no baking biscuit Swiss rolls are ready. These are so tasty, perfect for parties or even for evening snacks. Kids are gonna love this recipe. As the summer holidays are coming up, it is so difficult to entertain the kids every day. So we have to try new recipes to make them happy. So you can definitely try out this recipe for your summer experiments. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and definitely share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.